We have a guest.
Oh, you're already recording?
I'm always recording.
That's no, you're not. Because if you were, we'd have some footage.
What does it look like?
That we probably can't talk about.
Shut your mouth.
Can I tell the story? Should I tell the story?
God, go.
Okay,
sure.
So we're filming a TikTok on the side of the road. I'm in my short blue shorts, shirtless, looking super awesome.
Super juicy as always.
So, just got Jane back on the road. She's packed over in this Walgreens parking lot. And we're filming a funny TikTok. You guys can go check it out. Ricky will post a link to it.
Wasn't anything important in
my eyes.
And
it was funny to me. Anyways,
Anyways,
more importantly,
who are we here with?
look at this young guy
What's
right
up,
here.
everybody?
Goodness.
We got Aaron Hernandez.
Hey, we share the...
Aaron Miller.
Oh, no, I'm like, we share the same last name.
His last name's Hernandez.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it is.
I was busting Ricky's balls subliminally.
I see.
Subliminally.
Okay.
I edit the video, so it doesn't matter.
This is Aaron Miller.
Like
so
I should take my
no, it's
sweatshirt
okay.
off to
It's okay.
compete.
It's all good.
We'll get a
It's
workout
like
in
55
after.
degrees here in Florida. Okay.
Yeah, I know. He pulls into the driveway. I'm like, hey, what's up? My tank top. He's like, it's cold, man.
Pretty soon.
But so Aaron, actually, him and I met because he is a college ambassador with BSN. And so we actually met up earlier in the week, had a real great workout, chat a little bit about what we wanted to do today. So we're gonna have a nice fun vlog today. We're gonna do something very interesting to start off the day. I haven't told Aaron what it is yet, so he's in for a surprise. And then we're gonna go to the gym, obviously, hit some nice big chest and triceps. Blow it up a little bit.
Right.
Give you guys a sneak peek on how Aaron likes to train. He looks great. You can check out his Instagram if you want. He has a YouTube channel too that he just started. He's gonna drop his first video, probably already dropped by the time this one's done.
Okay.
But why don't you tell them a little about yourself?
All right, my name's Aaron Miller, not Aaron Hernandez. I'm a college ambassador for BSN. I go to UCF. I'm a kinesiologist. And I will be graduating in May and basically doing what this man does and just creating that awesome content and helping you guys out and just living the life of a lifter and getting swole, man.
And what we're trying to do is we're building up our Orlando group. So Aaron has actually already done some vlogging with Austin Dunham, which we actually met up with, and he let me fall on my face a few times doing some handstands, trying to make me look bad, but it's all good, Austin. I'm just kidding. But I think it'd be really fun to start doing more vlogs where we actually go out and do like fun activities and live that fit lifestyle and kind of bring you guys along for the ride. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get outside and get started.
Before we go, it's a really nice tank top. I haven't seen that yet. And look at those joggers.
Oh yeah.
You are just one stylish, handsome man.
You know, I've never really been a fan of wearing green, but I like this green, and it goes really well with the pants. You know you do a good job matching your clothes when your wife looks at you and she's like, that looks really nice.
Right.
Because she would never tell me it looked like if it didn't look nice.
True.
But
Aaron, do me a quick favor. Scott has a code for some brand. Do you know what it is? It's like something like Scott 20, 15, I think.
Scott 20?
Yeah, I think it's Scott 20.
It's even 20, it's 5 more %.
it's 5 more % than what you thought it was. Already making more gains.
Oh my goodness.
But guys, seriously, N.O.E just dropped a whole new line of clothing. Make sure you check it out. You get 20% off using my code Scott20.
Oof. Clean. Now are we gonna go for real?
Yeah, we're gonna go for a
On a
little
field
Jane
trip?
ride. A little field trip.
All right, let's go. Why do we visit this GameStop more than anything else? GameStop and Panda Express.
You know, Aaron just came on a special day.
Yeah, right? Oh, there's a car behind us.
I got a call.
Games and games.
I got a call from Brandon where he just happened to drop 6 more Dragon Ball Z pops today. Yeah. So we gotta feed the addiction.
Right.
We're already going this. We're already going this way anyways to the surprise.
Right. Aaron's already part of the crew.
Channel our inner Super Saiyan for our workout.
Exactly. Aaron's already part of the team because this is pretty much GameStop and Panda Express.
Yeah,
that's all we do.
I got the Gohan vibes.
We actually went to Panda Express on Monday.
Oh, there we go. See, done.
So we're already,
he's an official member.
For the week, man.
He's already, inaugurated into the group.
Right. Aaron, what are your expectations for today's X&O?
No idea what to expect. Never been to any sort of place like this, but apparently we're gonna be throwing some axes.
Yeah, it'll be a good time. What about you, Scott?
I'm gonna warm up my rotator.
Yeah.
All I know is I'm gonna win no matter what.
You're not
We'll
gonna
see
win.
about that.
Yeah, you're
We'll
not
see
gonna win,
about
dude.
New school versus old school.
Right, exactly. All right, boys, where are we at?
So we've arrived at the fun activity I planned for today. Well, this is actually Ricky's idea. He gets the credit.
Yeah.
This is where Ricky brings all of his dates.
God,
It's a cute little
this is
date.
why I don't tell you anything.
So we're gonna be doing some axe throwing. So we're gonna, you know, we spend a lot of time in the gym, but can you actually put those muscles to work?
Yeah, let's see how functional we really are.
Yeah, it's
Seriously,
gonna
work
be
on that
fun.
rotator cuff.
Yeah. This is the Big Daddy. I'm gonna try to hit that blue dot in the top right. I hit it! I just needed
job.
a bigger axe!
2 hours later.
Okay, worked up quite the appetite. Throwing them axes.
A lot of overhead deltoid work.
Right.
I would even flex my chest a little towards
yeah.
the end.
Yeah, you got kind of anabolic there. You were making like the same grunting noises as you work out.
Well, because he beat me in the first game.
You
It is what
did.
it
Good
is,
job,
man.
Aaron.
Numbers don't lie.
Yep.
They didn't lie, which is why I won the next 2 games.
Let's get some food.
Yeah.
Man. All right, what do we get?
All right, so because I won, I decided to treat Ricky and Aaron to some sushi bowls.
Oh,
Truly
thanks,
appreciate
man.
that.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks.
Aw.
Thanks, Dad.
There you go.
Taking care of my boys.
Yeah, thanks, Dad. Got some good-looking bowls here, man.
Dude, this place is really good. What's it called?
man.
Sushi
High.
Eat.
It's Seuss High Eat
I thought it's
Station.
called Sushi
So
Eat
colorful.
Station.
Well, it's Seuss High because it's the hyphen. but
Dude,
it's sushi.
this whole bowl is $12. You get 5 proteins.
Dang.
Because it's a large bowl.
And there's Dragon Ball Z artwork all around.
Oh yeah, we got some video of that.
This
Alright,
place
boys.
is the best.
Let's eat.
All right, guys, we finally made it to the gym. We have all of our limbs still intact from all the throwing axe action, which was a lot of fun. That was more like a warm-up for the workout, right?
Right.
Sushi Eat Station was great, but
Seuss
now I'm gonna let Aaron take me through a chest and triceps workout of his design.
Oh,
sir.
baby.
This will be the ultimate test to see if I want to keep him around or not. Future
Yeah.
videos.
The ultimate test if you
Could be
hang
just
with
a
me.
pretty face. The workouts could not be so great.
Truth.
Really?
I mean, you're young. That's gonna go away if the workouts are bad in a couple of years.
You're gonna be like Scott.
See, we've been teaching an old dog new tricks.
Oh,
Alright.
best looking old dog you ever seen.
Okay, okay.
So hold on. Aaron apparently likes to
Dry
do
scoop?
dry scoops. I've never
It's more efficient.
It's what the cool kids do, man.
I've never done a dry
The
scoop.
cool
and it'll
kids dry
explode.
scoop.
How tiny? Look at it. That's
No,
not
you
even a
don't-
full scoop.
You don't want the whole thing, especially with N.O.E. Explode. It's gonna foam in your mouth.
Oh.
You want to do half.
But Scott's hardcore.
If I
do
if I foam in
You're
my
gonna
mouth
spit it out.
and my neck veins are out, it'd be
Yeah.
pretty sweet.
Come on, don't be a puss.
Ready?
Alright.
Okay.
Cheers.
Even though BSN says not to do this, we're gonna do it anyway. Sorry, Stuart.
Sorry,
Dude.
This is what you get for that comment you made on my photo. Ready? Go.
Let it foam up. All right, you guys want
There you
to
go.
you guys want to lead us into
swallowed the foam. It
into
tasted
the
weird.
workout edit by
Yeah, I
Tapping
want
the
to do
screen?
some warm up, internal, external rotation,
Okay.
get some blood flow.
Yeah,
I know
you're-
you don't like to warm up.
He's
he
old.
doesn't.
I know
dude,
he
he
doesn't.
doesn't like to warm up at all.
When you're a seasoned lifter like me, you're always warm, ready to
Yeah,
go.
okay.
Right.
He
These young
snapped his
guys-
hamstring
Yeah,
2
he's
videos,
younger
3
than me,
videos ago.
actually.
Young
And
guys are full of injuries and problems. These millennials.
Shut up.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do incline bench press, then we're gonna do flat bench press, and then we're gonna wind up doing some more isolation work for the chest, and then move into some isolation work for your triceps.
And I actually like that. I like starting off with incline chest press first because I feel like for most of us, I mean, I have a pretty decent chest, but working on the
Right.
upper is always number one.
Yep.
Sweet.
Yep.
Let's get started, guys.
Do it.
So that's it. We're gonna wrap up our workout right here. I feel pretty good.
Feel pretty pumped.
Yeah. So what do you think? So we actually worked out together earlier in the week, and it was our first time training together. So we did like a
Full body?
we did full body, but more of a casual full body because we were kind of chatting and getting ideas for what we wanted to do today. So how did you like that full body workout?
Full body workout is definitely efficient. If you want to hit everything, you're in a time crunch, you have a busy schedule. Honestly, I really enjoyed it. It was just a good switch up, got the blood flowing in all body parts, so just a sick pump overall.
And I feel the same way about this because I've been doing full body now for almost the last 2 months. It felt really good to come in today and just focus on chest and triceps and just beat the hell out of the muscle and get a super pump. I mean, if we're gonna flex, you just let me know. But no, we had a great time. And it's this man's birthday tomorrow.
It
So
is.
y'all gotta go down that info section. Happy 23rd birthday to Aaron Hernandez.
Aaron Miller.
Aaron Miller.
Thank you in
We'll get his
advance.
name right
I'm gonna
one
convince
day.
everyone your last name is
Please
Hernandez.
don't.
God.
All right, thank you. I appreciate
But
it.
yeah,
It's been
man.
an absolute honor.
Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure.
One day I'll be as strong as this guy.
And we plan on doing a
I
lot
hope.
more fun stuff too. We're gonna be teaming up with Austin very soon in a future vlog and start maybe even hosting some events in Orlando, Florida. So if you live in the area, definitely keep an eye out for those. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time. If you guys wanna see more vlogs with this guy in them, let us know by tapping that like button. And as always, more good stuff coming soon.
See ya.
Later, guys. All right, guys, you saw it. Had a hardcore chest and triceps workout today. Felt really good. Still feeling the pump. I haven't hit heavy skull crushers in like a year, so I really enjoyed it. But if you guys want a workout you can do right now in the gym, all you gotta do is click the link down below and download my app, Muscular Strength. Got 6 bodybuilding programs to choose from, as well as my 100% free guaranteed gains. I'll see you there.